Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to come this site www.gigabyte.com. After that search icon and then enter the model number of mother graphic card. AORUS RTX 63060 Ti 8G and then hit enter. Then click on the product and you can see 1.0, 2.0 both same. So driver installations and downloading process same. Click on it. Then click on support. Then select operating system Windows 7, 10 and 11. So all the operating system installations process same. Okay. So Nvidia and click to download. So when you click to download, it will start downloading. You can see 4 to 5 minutes it will complete, and it is completed. Then click on three dot and then click on download. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed. Then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see Nvidia package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete driver installations will start. After that you can see, okay, now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next and then restart your system. You can see this is icon, next license options, and here to step finished. And after that also completed driver, then restart your system.